Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I'm back doing the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's change the date. We are doing here. We are not having much news even today. So let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of EURUSD, and what we can see is that the price is sweeping the monthly high, that is previous month's high, and we had a really bullish close into the monthly levels. So let's move to the weeklies to see if the price is showing any bearish trade there. So as we move into the weeklies, what we see is that we are having this FVG while the whole price is bullish, and we are responding from this weekly FVG. So most likely our bias will be bullish. Let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we were seeing that we were having this FVG and the price was sweeping the lows, and ultimately the price gave a close below the structure, which was something which is not in the favor of the trend, kind of makes the trend quite weaker to move into the higher direction. So we need a confirmation, and that will come only after this high being broken by the market. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hour, what we see is that there was one FVG, and to narrow it down, this extreme high, what we need is that this FVG to be disrespected by the market if the price is going to go higher. So let's move to the 2 hours now. As we move into the 2 hours, the scenario stays similar, uh, but this moves up till here. Apart from that, we are having one extreme FVG over here too. So yeah, that 4 hour FVG is still crucial for us. Let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that we are having this BPR, the price, which is not completely yet mitigated by the market. We are having a vacant space, which could be later on used by the price to move into the upside direction. So the overall structure is quite messed up right now, because while the monthly is showing bearish, for the small time frame only, but the daily is still, but the weekly is uh, above this FVG range. Uh, Daily is still stuck, breaking the lows, confirming that we are in the bearish trend, and 2 hours is having similar trade as daily. 4 hour is having similar trade. So ultimately, we are bullish in weeklies, bearish in monthlies, uh, bearish in dailies, and kind of bearish in 4 hours. So ultimately, the price is really bullish into the higher time frame. So the price has still not cleared the bias yet. So I'll be waiting for the price to break this high, and then I'll be trading this range of about 100 pips in the market. So let's see how the price actually reveals itself. So this is pretty much it. I don't have any trade plan for today since the market bias is still not clear. See you in the next video, or you can say tomorrow.